20 years ago, we wouldn't need such a study because there was nothing we could really do about a keratoconus patient except exchanging his or her cornea. Now that we have corneal cross-linking, it is so much more important to better understand who is at risk and how big is that risk within the population, especially in children and adolescents. So we started looking into this one in 2000 that has been around in the literature forever. And most researchers in the field would state a study published in 1986 by Kennedy and colleagues stating that conus is a rare disease. If you read that paper, you will notice that that study had been performed in Minnesota between 1946 and 1984. And you can imagine the amount of technology available at that time to diagnose the disease. So we learned that it was time to redo a prevalence study with modern technology, and our strong suspicion was the prevalence would be way higher. We started a pilot in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, with children from 6 to 21 years, and we were shocked by the outcome. It is being submitted right now. The prevalence is 1 in 21, so 100 times higher than what has been reported so far. There have been a few more recent studies in the past years suggesting 1 in 3 or 500 in other countries. We know that keratoconus will be different geographically. We looked at the Middle East now, and in the next step, the Light for Sight Foundation will set up with its partners and associates a global prevalence study covering 4 continents and at least 11 sites. In other words, we will take the study protocol we established for Saudi Arabia, just multiply it on a global level. And because the study is very straightforward, we expect to have 10,000 plus eyes within the next 2 years, knowing more specifically what is the true prevalence in the US, in South America, in the Middle East, in China, and so on. And this is not only important for therapy, it is also essential for public funding. It's nice to be a rare disease, you get some money. If you are a not so rare disease, you will get substantial funding to do more research.